Welcome, here I've got Realme C25Y and let me show you how to manage camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard capture mode. From here let's go to right corner button to open camera settings, and now we have to focus on photo settings category because here we can find composition line option. So when we tap here we get access to 4 type of grid lines. Let me start with the first one, standard grid, and when we turn them on we get access to this type of lines in the preview. They are useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography. Let's move back to right corner settings, to composition line, and move to golden section. So for now in the preview we get access to this spiral. This is also useful when we want to make experiments with composition at our picture. Another tab to right corner settings, to composition line, and let me show you reticule. So for now we get access to this type of grid, and the last one here is the box option. So this is how it looks like. And of course remember that all of these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see any type of grid here, so the grid lines are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need them or need another type, we have to move back to right corner settings in camera, composition line, and stay on whatever we need. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.